this will be another 10 minutes of hiking. Hi Baka, hi Mumu.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, that was another 10 minutes walk. Enjoy. And magpahulay sa Minitot because we are waiting for our service going to Simala. Wow, our service going to Simala. Amazing. Okay, we are now ready for our travel adventure.
Mabot ka na mo ang inag-ingatan, magpapalong pag-uod sa iyong ako sa langit. Palagi na mo sa matagal na, kaya tagal na mo sa mga awa sa iyong sa mga salamat.
Ano ko sa Christmas tree na gano'n eh? Wow!
Wala yung siguro ni ay.
Hindi mo na money shape. Money shape pool o kanina. Umanda nila pero
2,000 years later.
Katong pagka, telu. Kaunta. Ba? Ilang kahagos makaon. Nang saya?
Hi guys, finally we are done with our lunch and we are on our way to go inside Simala. Simala. So I'm very excited. Butong is life. Butong is life. You can rent cottages.
Ikaw mong guide ha. Ahman taad to. Ramsey, Kathleen. Taad to. Hari. Iri.
This is Simala. Yun, so this is Simala guys. Finally we've reached our destination. Grabe, sobrang kainit but it's fine. Pwede daw magrentag pa yung 20 skirt. Nagkuha si to og 20 and ano siya. Mura feeling ako naami sa Europe char kay mga kasel-kasel man, but actually first time lang gid na ko siya nakita. Ngayon nakita ko simbahan and sa kinahel tag misa. Ngayon nakita ko, oh look at that, kasi the structure is like ancient Europe. Kabarajig Castle. Kasi Barajig Castle nga makita na siya sa sobra niya kadako sa Pilipinas. Kasi in super. And look at the views. The views. Napay ka na man-made na pond. What you call that? Ang bawal ito ang tao. Ay, ito. Sabat man ito diri mag... Walay ka na madagkutan diri. Ha? Kasi nga.
Ano nag-inala ka man? Pitang. Ay, laiba ko ng babaw. Ha?
we are done with our prayers and visit sa Ilham Museum, and that was the most holy place I've seen. Okay guys, that was fun. Medyo hugs na kayo, kami gibaklayan. Pero structure like
2,000 years later.
After 6 p.m. and we just arrived here at Cebu South Bus Terminal, and finally we are going to Toyokoin. Nagawa ng mid-grab, and hopefully makatay ka ras na ganyan covered ka. We'll be back guys mamaya. Good afternoon. Currently, we just arrived here at Toyokoin, Cebu, and we are very excited to hike that again. And si Totz, ito sa tapangan. Dancing. Wait, talaga. Shit. Other rooms 17. Under Hiroshi Ruby. Cardboard box. Ano ba? Kanang finally, we arrived here inside our room sa Toyokoin, Cebu. And this is a chair ko. Okay, here's our room. Actually, this is the first time na nag-stay me dito sa Toyokoin. It's actually our second time to stay. And yes, tumawagin naman gipili na our room dito sa Cebu. It's because okay kayo ang room. Very clean, limpyo, and very mga gini ang mga ideal na room. So, as you can see, we have may additional water, plus we have the bed. What am I gonna give the view outside? As you can see, yes, roof, and of course, ang pinaka asam-asam. And guys, slippers na ba? 3 slippers, yush. And ang pinaka asam-asam na bathtub. We have hot and cold shower. We have tissues, bathtub, and yun, nalang shampoos and and the toilet. So yun guys, this is our room, and wow. So yun guys, we are going to take rest for a while, but magbabami karon for our dinner, and probably we will look for massage. So this is our adventure for the Simala visit, and Totz wala na tingog amot na sana pud na siya. Yung naman na siya nga na. Wala na yung tingog. Simala, and our stay here sa Toyokoin, Cebu. So hopefully guys, you enjoy our vlog and be on our way back to Davao tomorrow. So guys, this is Totz Adventure. We are not signing off, but instead we are planning to travel again someday. So yun lang guys, and let's interview Totz. How are you, Totz? Totz. Uy. Psst. Uy. Nansa ka? Ha? Yes. Sige ka, pwede daw siya. Psst. Nansa ka ba?